Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the DPI level for your Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. So in order to do this, first you need to get the Razer Synapse program on your PC or MacBook, and you can download it from their website Razer.com or search it in a Google search or use any other search engine. Now after you download it, you'll be able to see your mouse, so click on it. Here, move to the performance, and now you'll be able to change the DPI level with this slider right here for a specific stage. You can also adjust the amount of stages or simply disable them and use only one. Another thing is to enable X and Y, and that's the like jaw and yaw, or however it's called. I'm not sure, but it changes on how fast your mouse moves to the left and right and up to bottom. So for example, if we use this to at least 1750, our mouse will move faster to the right and left and slower to the up and down, and you can adjust it to whatever you want, but I'm gonna disable it. Another thing is to change the pulling rate, and you can use from 125 to 500 to 1000. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.